Hi guys, I'm Daniel, welcome to another video on Pro Photo Tips. Today I want to share with you a few thoughts about an entry-level camera. Let's say you are a beginner in photography and you just bought yourself a new DSLR camera. Now what's next? Now the first thing you want to do is to change the settings from auto to manual. In the beginning it will be hard because you don't know anything about photography, about light, about ISO or shutter speed. Don't let the camera to do the job for you. You have to do it yourself because it's much better to do it yourself. That way you will understand the light and everything in photography. So let's say you want to change your camera to manual from auto. How will you do that? So first we have this camera. It's a Nikon D80. It's not a pretty great camera, but will do the job. So as you can see, that's the auto mode, and we will change it down to manual. As it is it's manual on Nikon. So after you've done that, you have to just practice and play with ISO, with f-stop, shutter speed, and just go out and take some photos. I remember when I first got my DSLR and I tried to take a picture on auto, and it was, I think, the worst picture of all. It was like I was using a phone to do the photos. Actually, my expectations were a bit too high because I was expecting to get a camera out of the box and just try to shoot a portrait, and that will be an amazing portrait. But it's not that way. Photography is an art, and like any other art, you have to learn, do experiments, and eventually you will get it. Of course, nowadays you can find some phone applications which they will tell you what shutter speed should you use, or what aperture, or what ISO. You can download them from App Store. One of the apps, it's called Light Meter, and you can download it for free from the App Store. So after you've got this solved, you have to try to shoot RAW, because a RAW file keeps more information in that file than a JPEG. So after you master those things, you can think on buying another lens. But don't do the mistake to just buy another lens, because it's better, the aperture it's much more wide open. Instead of that, just try to use the light. Learn how to use it, learn how to use the shadows. And this way you will learn more about photography. Of course, eventually you will have to upgrade your lens, but don't do it at first. Learn to shoot in manual and try to do great photos with your kit lens. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget, if you want great photos, keep practice. It will get better. Until next time, all the best.